How to download WeChat on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download WeChat on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you guys want the latest version of WeChat, first I recommend you guys to update your iPhone to the latest version. For that, head over to your settings and you'll need to head over to your general, this one right here, and then head over to software update. After you're here, check for any updates available, and if you see an update available, like here, just tap on update and update your app. After you update it, then you can head over to your app store, and after you're on your app store, simply search for WeChat. So search for WeChat, and after you search for WeChat, it should be available right here. This is the app. So simply tap on the install button and install the WeChat, and that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.